The forthcoming iPhone 15 Pro will be introduced at a special event next month, rumored to take place on September 12th. The date should be made public next week. Unlike its predecessor, which had a stainless steel frame, the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max are rumored to have a titanium frame. For example, Apple released a unique purple color for the iPhone 14 Pro review last year, and according to 9to5Mac, the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max will debut in new gray and blue colors. According to the site, the former will be suitably called as Titan Gray to match the pair's titanium chassis, and it will also replace the normal gold variety of the iPhone that has been provided for years. A custom blue color, on the other hand, is supposed to be the new unique variety for the iPhone 15 Pro. The hue is set to replace the existing deep purple of its predecessor, but there is no specific word on what the color will be named, putting it in the same boat as the gray color. Other color possibilities for the iPhone 15 Pro Max mentioned at the same time were space gray and silver. The vanilla Apple iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus models are set to be released in pink, yellow, green, black, and blue hues. These were also rumored to have a frosted back glass like the Pro models, although they are likely to employ aluminum chassis rather than the more robust titanium. Other features and specs of the iPhone 15 Pro are rumored to include an Apple A17 Bionic processor, 6 or 8 GB of RAM, and larger storage. The Pro Max is expected to include a new periscope camera, while both Pro entrants will have a new programmable action button. The whole iPhone lineup will switch from Lightning to USB-C, with a matching braided data cable for each color. According to a new leak, the iPhone 15 Pro may support Thunderbolt 3.0 or 4.0 communication standards. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.